In this video, we're starting with a Next.js component defined in a file called id.js inside the pages directory. The square brackets in the file name indicate that this is a dynamic route, where id can be any value. We begin by importing the useRouter hook from Next.js's useRouter module. We define our page component as post. Inside this component, we invoke the useRouter hook, which provides us with the router object. This object contains various properties and methods to interact with the routing functionality of Next.js. From the router object, we destructure the query object to extract the id parameter. This id corresponds to the dynamic segment in our file name and will match any string that comes after the slash in our URL path. In the return statement of our functional component, we render a fragment containing an h1 element and a p element. The h1 element displays the post title along with the dynamic id that we extracted from the URL. Below it, the paragraph explains that this is a dynamic page rendered based on the URL id. This demonstrates how easy it is to create dynamic pages with Next.js using the file system-based routing mechanism. And that's how you create a dynamic route with Next.js. With just a simple file named with a dynamic segment and a few lines of code, you can build powerful and flexible routing in your application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this.